Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's Python lesson, we are going to learn about control structures, different types of control structures, and we are going to do some hands-on also. I hope you all watched my previous videos. If not, I'll put the link in the description box. Please do check out those videos and come back to this video for better understanding of today's Python lesson. Now let's deep dive into our topic. A control structure is nothing but it is a block of program and it is a flow of control which determines how our program should respond for the given condition. And there are two types of control structures in Python. One is conditional control structure and other is the iterational control structure. Let's see these two control structures in detail. Now, conditional control structure, it executes the program based on the conditions we provide and it allows us to control the flow of our code. And there are two types of conditional control structure. One is if control structure and other is the if-else control structure. Now let's learn how to write the if statement. For that, I'm considering the variable number and I'm assigning 5 to it. In if statement, I'm giving the condition that the number should be greater than 0. If this statement evaluates true, it enters into the block and it prints that the number is positive. See, this if statement is used to run our code for certain condition. Here the condition is number greater than 0. If this condition evaluates true, it enters into the block and the statement inside the block is carried out. Could you see the space in front of this line? Python uses indentation, that is white space at the beginning of the line, to define the block of code. Notice that the if statement should end with colon. If I run this code, I'll get the output as number is positive. Okay. In this example, the condition evaluates true, so it enters into the block and runs the print statement. What if the condition evaluates false? Then we need to use if-else statement. Now I'm going to do else block. Here we need to use the keyword else. Inside else I'm going to print that the number is negative. This else statement allows our program to choose an alternative path when our condition is not met. Here the condition is number greater than 0. If this condition is not met, the program will take the else block and execute the statements inside the else block. For example, if I give -5 here and I run the program, here the condition is not met. So it automatically goes to the else block and prints the else block statement. See here, I'm getting that number is negative. We can also use elif statement when we want to chain if and else statement. Here, for example, I can use elif block. I should use the keyword elif number equal to 0. This is the condition I'm giving here. Then I'm printing that the number is, it should be in quotes, number is 0. First, it checks the condition of if block. If the condition fails, it goes to the elif block. If again the condition fails, it automatically goes to the else block. For example, if I give 0 here and I run the program, I'm getting the result as number is 0. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. I'll explain iterative control structure in my next video. I hope you all liked this video. If you liked it, please do hit the like and subscribe button and don't forget to share with your friends also. See you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.